The market whips us around but ultimately goes nowhere as we wait for follow through from either the bulls or the bears. This is Invest with Jacob. Okay, guys, so the market popped up this morning right before the open and then dropped most of the day into the Fed minutes, where it rallied back to where it started, giving us really no movement on the day. It is dropping a little bit here after hours, but we have no follow through from the bears and the bulls, which leaves us still at the mercy of wave 4. Now, I'll get into all that in just 1 second, but first, if you're new here, welcome to the show, guys. My name is Jacob Gabbard, and this is Invest with Jacob, where we use Elliott Wave Theory to break down the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ. I highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button down below so that you can get our daily S&P updates, our trade setups, and our buy alerts. Okay, guys, so not a lot of movement today. In fact, a move down and then a move back up for more overlap and whipsaw. So let's jump into the charts and take a look at where we're at. Okay, guys, so here we are on the 15-minute futures chart for the S&P 500. And what we see here, guys, they popped it up right before the open, brought it down, took it back up, made a nominal new high, and now it's sinking again here after hours. But the thing about this whole area here is once we tested the 618 here and bounced, we came back, tested it again and bounced, but none of this is impulsive to the upside. So this tells me that we should be retesting this low and moving more directly lower because we have no impulsive structure here to the move up. So we didn't really get high enough for this to be a wave 2, and now the structure isn't really going to allow for that. So at this point, what I'm really expecting is a move down here to retest this 618 at 43.53, and I think that this time they will push through. Okay, if they do that, the next fib down is the 42.99 level at the 764, and that would be about where we would expect wave 5 of 3 to hit in a diagonal type shape. So it would take shape as a A, B, C down. Now, if they do push higher from here, it can bring the triangle back into the play. I've taken it off the chart for now because I think it's a pretty low probability, but we do need to have it in the back of our minds. Now, one other thing to note, guys, if they do move it down and break this low, okay, the 4,300 level becomes very important because it is the last line of support for the move down. And we know that once they break the 764 level, more often than not, they will go ahead and try to attack that low in this case and try to challenge and break that, which I would expect to happen as we complete this C wave of 4 down. So in summary, I am expecting a move lower based on the structure to challenge first the 618 fib again at the 43.53 level, and then eventually the 4,300 level should we push through there. All right, guys, let's go over and take a look at the NASDAQ. Okay, guys, so on the NASDAQ chart, same type of thing. We moved down and then back up, and now we're moving down again. Nothing off of this low is impulsive, okay? So we don't see anything that tells us we should be shooting much higher. So I do expect the NASDAQ to be moving down as well in this wave 5 to complete wave 3. Now, if the NASDAQ pushes higher, we do still have the triangle in play, ABC for A, B, and then we'd have C up, and then D and E for that triangle to complete a bigger wave 4 over here and then get that wave 5 down for the triangle. So NASDAQ, very similar to the ES, I am looking for a move lower, okay, to test this low. And if they are able to push higher, we would be looking for the triangle to play out. Guys, if you like the information that I put out in these videos and you want real-time market updates from me, you need to check out investwithjacob.com. Head on over there and check out our membership plans area. We have 2 different plans, and both of them come with a 7-day free trial. And guess what? This weekend is President's Day. So on Friday, I'm going to run a sale from Friday to Monday where you get 15% off after that 7-day free trial. So come check out tomorrow's video to get the coupon code for 15% off of a membership. In my room, you get all of my real-time daily updates during market hours. I give out my buy and sell alerts as well as answer all of your Elliott Wave questions. If you go with my room plus PT's throne room, okay, you get PT, who, if you don't know who he is a phenomenal trader. He absolutely crushes the market, and he trades individual stocks as well as the indexes. So in my room, it's more about the NASDAQ and the S&P 500. And in PT's room, it's about the indexes as well as individual stocks. Guys, come on over and check it out. 7-day free trial. We'd love to have you in there. Okay, guys, key takeaways for today. Based on the structure, we do expect to move lower in the S&P to challenge this 43.53 area, the 618 retrace. If they are able to break through, we would be watching the 4,300 area. If they are, however, able to push it higher, we would bring back the triangle possibility, although I think that is much less likely. On the NASDAQ, we expect the same type of thing. We look for a move down in the NASDAQ based on the structure off the low. And if they are able to move it higher, we would look for them to continue tracing out this triangle pattern. All right, guys, that is the market update for today. I will talk to you tomorrow.